This tutorial will show you how to configure your DAF Connect dashboard to enable you to focus on the information that's relevant to you. The dashboard is split into 4 categories: Fleet KPIs, Today's Live Vehicles, Vehicle Utilization, and Alerts from the last 24 hours. The first category, Fleet KPIs, provides you with a summary of your entire fleet over your chosen period of time. The dashboard will always default to the last 7 days. However, this can be changed to 30 or 90 days if required. Select the Configure button to choose which pieces of information you'd like to show or hide. Set your own daily targets, remembering that this is the combined daily target for your whole fleet. We can also set our threshold type to upper or lower. In this example, we've set all of our thresholds to upper. This means that the targets we've set are the maximum values which we wish to reach. Let's look at the mileage done as an example. Our target is now 2,000 miles per day for the whole fleet. We're looking at a period of 7 days, meaning our maximum target for the week is 14,000 miles. In this example, our actual mileage achieved is 8,627. This is below our maximum target of 14,000 for the week. The dashboard therefore interprets this as a good result and marks our circle green. If we change our target to 1,000 miles a day, this becomes 7,000 miles for the week. The dashboard can see that our actual fleet mileage has exceeded that of our target and alerts you to this fact by marking the circle red. By changing our threshold to lower, we're telling the system that our set target is the minimum number of miles that we would like to reach, and anything above is considered good. The system now sees that we've gone above our minimum target and marks the circle as green. Once all necessary changes have been made, press Save. These settings will now remain in place until you next change them. Today's Live Vehicles provides you with information on your vehicles which have been used during that day. As we did with the Fleet KPIs, we can select the Configure button to show or hide particular items. We can also set targets and threshold types for the fleet utilization rate, mileage rate, and number of moved vehicles. Select the Show Report button to be redirected to the Fleet Utilization Report. This will give you further details on today's live vehicles. To return to the dashboard, use the menu bar on the left-hand side. Our next category provides a summary of vehicle utilization over your chosen period. Hover over the graphs to view the precise results for a specific day. Again, you can use the Configure button to show or hide items and to set targets for vehicle mileage and time. Thinking back to the fleet KPIs, the targets we set were for the whole fleet over 1 day. This time, we will set an average target for just one vehicle over 1 day. In this example, we've set an average target of 125 miles per vehicle per day. The dashboard has multiplied this by the number of days we've selected. In this case, 7, and given us a target of 875 miles. The pie chart now shows us the percentage of vehicles which have driven over 875 miles in the past 7 days, and the percentage which have driven under. Our final category shows you what alerts you've received in the last 24 hours. These are alerts which you, the user, can establish and measure items such as geofences, number of trips, and fuel level deviations. Again, you may select the Configure button to show or hide certain alerts. Select More Info in order to be redirected to the logbook, and select the Dashboard tab to return to the dashboard. As well as hiding items within each category, we can also hide an entire category if it's not of use to us. Simply select the arrow button located at the top right to fold or unfold a category. This concludes your tutorial on the DAF Connect dashboard. Thank you for watching.